technical support Tim here. Now, a lot of people are complaining on the Facebook board that their Cricut Joy and Cricut Joy Xtra lose connectivity with their MacBook, right?
Right.
So we're going to prove that it doesn't. It's actually engineered this way. It doesn't connect until it needs to. That's how the Mac works. So what did you do?
What we did was we just did a simple project in Design Space by adding a circle to our canvas. And here we're showing that the Bluetooth connection to the Joy Xtra is not connected right now. We're going to go ahead and make it, and then
the software takes over, and then it connects to it when it needs to. And that's an effort to save battery. That's built into the Mac operating system. So a couple things will kill your Bluetooth connection. One, power saving, and number two, distance. So actually, you had to pull about 15 feet apart.
That's right. We moved far away from the Joy.
It's connected now.
And now you can see that we're in Design Space telling it we want to do something, and it's made that connection
so
to
you could
the
just
Joy.
ignore this whole Bluetooth menu in the Mac, can't you?
That's right.
Yeah, and just Design Space is going to take over. So you just kind of like a little dot, right?
Just a little dot, just to show that we could do it.
And again, you're 15 feet away from this guy. This is me trying to shove it in. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never used this thing before.
No, you did great.
I'm a technical support guy. They're creative. And look how far away
I appreciate your help.
15 feet away there. And there's a whole bunch of other Bluetooth stuff in this room as well. And no interference problems whatsoever.
No.
Now, it does take a few seconds for it to connect, and that doesn't matter because Bluetooth is a notoriously slow connectivity protocol. It's not as fast as your IP or your Wi-Fi. So it looks like you cut your little dot.
You cut my little circle.
That's it, right? Perfect.
Yep, that's it.
And from 15 feet away.
15 feet away. And you'll see when we come back over here that now that we're done cutting and we've closed Design Space, the cut area, it has now
dropped the Bluetooth, right?
Disconnected from Bluetooth.
And that's totally normal.
Totally what you're expecting it to do.
Okay, so if it's dropping connection, you're not able to cut at all. Even if you go through this process, you might have a problem with the Bluetooth chip in your computer.
That's right.
But otherwise, it looks perfect.
That looks like it's working great.
Doing exactly what it's supposed to do.
Yep.
Let us know if you have any questions.